Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Active and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons and one of them should look like the percentage icon. This is the battery saver mode icon. And if you want to enable the power saving mode, you need to tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the power saving mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon on the watch face, and also the screen will get a lot dimmer, which basically this is the effect of the battery saver. Basically, it will dim the screen to save more battery. And to disable the mode, you need to wake up the screen, swipe down to open the quick panel, and tap on the icon. And you need to wait until the watch boots into a normal mode. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.